grease.
Ride number 603 coming up.
On Ghostrider.
On Ghostrider. Look at all that grease.
Oh God, smell it.
Oh God, this sounds unreal. This sounds really nice. Yeah, we'll get airtime over there. The Camelback, we did plenty. I was only kidding. I know. Lots of airtime.
Oh, that looks so weird.
There's the office right there.
Okay.
There you go. No dive. Dive!
Woo! Wow!
Hold on again. Very good. You feel the last part of the train come over, we're dead. That turn down there. First half of the ride is definitely grease influenced.
Is that good for a morning ride?
Oh yeah. That's a good 8. That's running a good 8.
That's the best I've ever ridden it.
Probably. In the back, you would have just given positions on the drop.